Hello everyone, welcome once again to our daily Doctrinal Bible study of the Vic Balbido Evangelistic Ministry. Today we have a lesson entitled Prerequisites that God Demands Before Blessing Believers. First of all, God has for every believer without exception immeasurable, incomparable blessings. Moreover, He desires to pour them out unrestrainedly. But He cannot pour unless the believer possesses the capacity to receive them. Neglect or rejection of Bible doctrine destroys the whole package. The believer in reversionism is blasphemous. He says, in effect, I don't want your blessings, Lord. I don't want your wealth, your success or prosperity. I don't want my right man or right woman. I don't want a glorious social life. I don't want a life with meaning and purpose and definition. I don't want spiritual power. Don't interfere in my life. I'll do it my way. No. So before God blesses believers during their lives on earth, He provides them the following prerequisites or provisions. Number one, the Bible. God the Holy Spirit, who is its divine author, gives to some gifted pastor teachers to teach the Bible to the believer. Number two, the omnipotence of God the Holy Spirit. Number three, divine plan for the church. Number four, right pastor-teacher. Number five, privacy of the priesthood. 6, logistical grace support. And 7, spiritual freedom inside the operational divine dynasphere. If believers show positive volition to those prerequisites or provisions, thus learn Bible doctrine, and advance to spiritual maturity, 2 Peter 3:18, then they glorify God. And as a result, God is going to bless them during their lives on earth.